I'm Carter Mitchell. I'm from Lake Forest, Illinois, and I graduated with my undergraduate degree in 2024 from Tulane and just finished the MANA program last May in 2025. I'm now working at Hancock Whitney in downtown New Orleans as an asset liability management analyst. I chose the MANA program because I had always been drawn to statistics and data analytics and data as a whole, just stemming from my undergraduate classes. I think the curriculum was appealing because there's a lot of different types of programming languages that were taught in it, and knowing these languages will only be more and more helpful down the line. The professors did a good job of teaching us about how to effectively use AI, mostly with prompt engineering. So when you have a certain business problem, you can gear talking to the AI in a certain way so that it can give you a response that's best fitted to solve the business problem. The most memorable experience in the MANA program was being able to work directly with companies in the region. You got real world data that you could solve real world problems with. I'm able to go really any direction I want in the finance world, whether that's a different analyst role or a different sector of the banking. So I think that this program has really helped me prepare for that, and I'm excited for what the future holds. I think being able to call myself a Tulane alumni with a Tulane master's degree means a lot. It's really a special place, and I don't think you can find that really anywhere else.